Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x by 2 whole power 4 equals 6 power 4 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x by 2 whole power 4 equals 6 power 4. So we can write this as per exponent rule, x by y whole power m. We can write it as x power m by y power m. So this becomes x by 2 x square by 2 power 4 equals 6 power 4. So x power, here is x power 2, sorry. X power 4 equal 6 power 4 times 2 power 4. Now another exponent rule, a power m times b power n. We can write it as ab whole power m. So this becomes x power 4 equal 6 times 2 whole power 4. So x power 4 equal 12 power 4. So x power 4 minus 12 power 4 equals 0. This x power 4 I can write it as x square whole square. Similarly 12 square whole square equals 0. Now I am going to use the identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it's x square whole square minus 144 square equals 0. So this becomes x square plus 144 times x square minus 144 equals 0. So first this x square plus 144 equals 0. So x square equal minus 144. And this becomes x square minus 144 equals 0. So x square equal 144 or x equal, if I'll do square root both sides, plus minus 12. So x square plus 144 equals 0. X square equal minus 144. Again, if I'll do square root both sides, so this becomes x equal plus minus 12 iota. So x1 is 12, x2 is minus 12, x3 is plus 12 iota, and x4 is minus 12 iota. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.